Hey everyone, this is Dawn. I thought maybe you'd want to take a look inside my craft room. Change things up a bit since you were here last time, and I will try not to make you sick jostling the camera around. So that is my work counter over there and chair, and then I have cabinets that I keep all my stuff stored in so I don't have to have everything out all the time. I keep my computer and my printer right there where it's nice and handy. That's my kitchen back there. So you can see my craft room is kind of the center of the house. This used to be our dining room. So as you come in from the hall and the kitchen, you know, I'm kind of front and center with everybody, but that's okay. This kind of tends to be the social hub sometimes. So we did put a couch in here so that everybody could hang out with me when they wanted to, and we have a television in here. I keep my sewing machine over there on my great-grandmother's sewing table. So my husband and daughter finished that for me. And so that's where I sew. I haven't got her sewing machine working yet, but so I do keep my sewing machine there on that. And then I have some of my Edith Holden books and a few other books there. There's a great big picture window in here, so I do have a lot of natural lighting coming into this room. Whoops, spinning you around a little fast, aren't I? This is my extra table over here, so when I have big projects going, I can have both surfaces going at the same time. Have my vintage or antique typewriter there. This is a stamping tray or a typeset tray, so I use it to keep all my little ephemera in and my clutter. Then I have my paper down here on the bottom. And I have more storage up there in the top of that cabinet. So that's it. That's my work area. So, and then over there in the dresser there underneath the television, I keep fabric and sari silk and ribbons. And it keeps them nice and organized. Let's see if I can open a drawer up without making you sick. So I keep my ribbons stored like that. And then I have sari silks and lace trims there. And then I keep my fabric. Of course, I got rid of a lot of my fabric recently. I was trying to downsize a little bit. I folded it in nice little squares like you would do fat quarters, what they call fat quarters with fabric. You can buy them at the store. If you fold them like this in your drawer, you can see right away what you have when you pull it out, and you don't have to dig, and it takes up a lot less space in your drawer. So it's a great way to store just fabric when you only have a yard or two at a time. So anyway, I think that's about it, other than my clutter behind my doors. So thanks for stopping in, and I will see you all very soon. Alrighty, take care. Bye-bye.